terminologies. India, the degree is termed as MBBS. The undergrad degree in the US, it is termed as MD. In India, the PG degree is termed as MD/MS. In US, these are called as a residency program. The super PG in India is DM or MCH. So somebody does MD medicine, does a DM in cardiology. Somebody does MS surgery, does a MCH in cardiothoracic surgery. These super specializations are also termed as fellowship programs in the US. Now let's understand the attempts. In India, you can attempt as many times as you want the NEET examination. Okay, some of your seniors you might have heard. They say that the first attempt of the NEET was just a trial practice. But in the USMLE, it's actually one golden attempt, because once you pass, your scores are locked for 7 years. Admission ratio for PG. In India, when 10 students apply, 1 gets a seat. In the US, when 2 students apply, 1 gets a seat. Okay. Choice of specialty. Now, in India, what happens is, every year after the NEET PG counseling round, I get thousands of calls. Sir, when I went for the counseling round, I had medicine in mind. But by the time my turn came, the only seat available were anatomy, biochemistry. I picked up biochemistry and now I am not liking it. So it's a very, very impromptu decision you have to make in the counseling rounds. However, in the American system, you have to decide on specialization very early. Before you apply, you already decide into one particular specialization and you only apply to that. And which is why there is a complete clarity. Let's talk about the tuition fee. In government colleges, it is 3 to 5 lakh rupees. In the private, it is 1 to 3 CR. In the US, there is no tuition fee to do PG. Let's talk about salary. In India, now due to COVID, fortunately, some stipend has been increased. Otherwise, near 30,000-40,000 was the average. In the US, the monthly PG stipend is minimum 3 to 4 lakh Indian rupees. This is the difference, my friends, which is why more and more Indian students are shifting, or what we always hear from students, sir, I am preparing for USMLE, please don't inform my friend. So secretly preparing. That is what unfortunately a lot of students do. Because the admission ratio is higher, choice of specialty is better, there are no tuition fees, good salary while I'm doing PG. So secretly, I mean, earlier it was only these AIMS, Maulana, talk about KEM, RG Kar, only the top medical college students used to prepare. Now across India, every college student is preparing because they realize it is possible. Okay, it is possible.